Two different rear bumper protectors made of ABS plastic. Which one fits better? Which one is more durable? Let's take a closer look. Now let's see both parts installed on the vehicle. The other version only covers a small center section of the rear bumper. It offers basic protection, but leaves a lot of surface exposed to scratches and impact. The OMAC rear bumper protector offers a thicker profile and wraps around a wider area. It covers the corners as well, which are often prone to damage during loading or parking. The other version is a thinner and more flexible model with a narrow surface area. OMAC version is a thicker, covering a larger area and made from denser plastic. Both products are ABS, but their coverage and structure are clearly different than each other. In addition, OMAC rear bumper protectors are not limited with matte version. Gloss option is available too.